It is, isn't it?
Yes. You said you had a vision. I came here to do one thing, make that vision a reality. But let me ask you, do you still have the energy to get this done?
I do. Of course I do.
It'll always be done.
I know that. Of course, and of course you're right. This is my work.
Be assured that what we're doing is a great thing.
It is, isn't it?
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a few little things I need to accomplish.